we had been elevated to Institute of National Importance when a bill was introduced in the Parliament in the year 2012, and when the Joshi of Pradhan became our first chairman of the Executive Council. Later, before that, Minister was the chairman. Now, Mr. Deep Joshi of Pradhan is the chairman of our Executive Council, and we have been greatly promoting the development-oriented activities in our institute, and this course is also as a result of some activities which is being promoted in a development perspective. And we do have I'll be quickly covering into the areas, maybe because of lack of time, I will not be covering the entire segments, but still I'll be giving you a quick overview about the course on livelihood. This is the program objective of the master's program in development practice, which is the latest program, which we do have 6 MA programs, and this is the 6th one which is being offered, which started even the first batch of students are currently in their 4th semester. So in which there are a lot of suggestions came up and to take up the course in a better way and to link up with the Pradhan. Also the discussions are going on with the Pradhan and linking the course with the practitioners as well. Some of the highlights are like this. This is some aspects of the course, like we have been reintroducing the curriculum based on the inputs from the academicians from the different universities, based on which their suggestion was to have a curriculum which is having a blend of theory-based courses, policies and practice-based courses and skill-based courses. As a result, some of the new programs has been added, which is being one of the program is livelihoods and development. This is how we have started working on the livelihood program. And if you look into the livelihood program as such, it's a 3-credit program where the purpose behind introducing the course is to develop a cadre of professionals in the livelihood sector, particularly since we are working under the ministry, so that there was a lot of suggestion from the NIRD and the Rural Development Ministry also to focus on the livelihood programs, so that we do have the training programs also, so that based on the suggestion, we thought we should introduce a program. So as a short step, we have come out with a program which is having a 3-credit allocation. And this is some of the objectives of the program on livelihood and development. The objectives or all these things are being located around helping students to equip basics of the livelihood, not on the advances, or we have not entered into that arena. We are gradually coming into that. And some of the special features of the course, as I told you, since we were working as a training institute earlier, that was the mandate. The institute was given to train the youth functionaries in the development sector, where we used to support the student youth like National Service Scheme and the non-student youth of Nehru Yuva Kendra Sangathan. And we do have some of the programs now. The programs are also being redesigned to look into the development needs, particularly in livelihood sector as well. And we do have some, in the course there is some case studies are being included, and asset mapping, all these things are included. And we do have the profile of the students. We have a different combination of students from the different geographical locations, and some do have some prior experience also, and there is an effort to line up with the or linkage with the different organizations like LIRD on livelihood training to the students of our institute. That's all about our basic program. What do we, what is the problem which we found, though it's a newly offered program, and we have not yet, I worked out on the experts or faculties are working on the lack of the reference material also, and suitable field agency is yet to be, because this is going to be rolled out shortly. And since the institution itself is in transition process, this creates some kind of impediment to all this livelihood program as such. And since we do have some linkage with the national and international agencies, there is some suggestions to take it up, and this is also being, progressions are made on this area also. And we do had an MOU with MS Swaminathan Research Foundation, as well as the then foundation to train the youth functionaries in the livelihood sector as such. And this is another suggestion, which was coming up in the by the different academicians to focus on the diploma and certificate program on livelihood and development. But again, we would not like to jump into this or taking into this, because though we are planning to establish the goals, so we would like to take the support or experts like the Manthan group to take it further in a better, or to stand it in a better footing, rather than jumping into offering the diploma or programs which will not be helping us to shape the program. That's all. Thank you.